In this video, I'm going to show you how to create templates in Clio Manage. So there's actually a few ways to do this. The first one is if you want to document templates, you could go to Documents over here on the left, and then from here in the top right, you want to click on Settings and wait for a few seconds. And then inside Settings up top here, you'll see it says Document Templates. So if you have one, you can click on over here, and you can just click on this button which says New Template, and you can go ahead and basically upload it in here, okay? So that's the first way to actually get a document template. The second one is creating a matter template. You could do that as well. So you could go to Matters over here on the left, and then from here inside Matters, it says Matter Templates up top. So you want to click on this button top right, and there we go. It's going to basically pop up this where you can click on the new matter template. And whenever you do this, it's going to load in, and there we go. This is where you can basically create one. So you can first give your template a name. You can then go and give it a description, and you have like a bunch of different things over here. So you want to put in like a bunch of different things. You just go ahead and take your time. I'm not going to waste your time here. Just go through it, and you'll be able to basically fill this in. Then you have the custom fields if you want to add them. So I'm just going to, for example, use this one over here. There we go. Then what you can do here is, of course, select your billing preference, your document folders, you're in your task list, which is of course the last but certainly not least thing on the list over here, okay? So whenever you've done this, whenever you customize your template, you have to make sure all the required fields are saved, like this one, for example, is of course filled in, and then you want to click on the Save Template button at the bottom, and there we go. Here's your template which you created inside Clio Manage. So that's basically how to create templates. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.